Welcome, Secret Inkling Agents. We have an advent calendar. Now, right now, there's only one box, but every day a box will be added, and each box is linkable. So you'll be able to click on this box, and it'll take you to the next page, to something like our video. So this is today's video talking about the prologue and chapter 1. This video is special because this is actually the author talking about his book that he wrote, Juniper's Christmas, the one we are going to enjoy. And then I have a little recap and an idea. So my idea is you take this name, whatever name you invent, inspired by our story. That could be something that's like a flower or a plant or a tree or even a spice. And you're going to turn it into a character's name, like a person's name. And then you can doodle some really cool artwork. So make it simple. Don't go overboard. Take a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. I like to start with pencil, and then I use pen after, and markers and colored pencils and things like that. Sometimes watercolors come out, and you can doodle on there with all of that and make it come to life by adding some other cool things like leaves and stars and, I don't know, some cute squishmallow things. You could do that. And when you're done, take a picture of it. You can use your tablet. It's got a camera on it, most likely, or you can steal your mom's phone. Okay, don't steal it. Get permission. But an agent, a secret agent, might actually swipe it. But don't do that because that's not allowed. Because we got to be, nice to our parents, especially since it's Christmas. And then you take the picture of it. And then you go to your computer or your laptop or your tablet and you click this button that says share, and that will take you over here. Now, once you come here, you are going to take and insert. So you're going to click this button, not collect it, click it, click insert an image and upload from your computer. And once you do that, then it'll ask you what you want to upload. We're just going to upload a random picture from my computer. There we go. It's popping in. And then we're going to shrink-a-dink it. There is a way to crop, but we're not worried about that today. We're going to bring it over here and make it smaller. Shrink-a-dink. There we go. Okay, so here's our crop button. And I'm going to bring this in and bring this in. Oh, I hit that crop button again. There it is. Oh, wait, no, that was the wrong one. There. Now, unclick it because we're done with that. And there is a random picture that I've added to the gallery. That's what you get to do once you create yours, and we will get to see everyone's creations, whatever they are. Maybe they're inspired to make a Lego image of whatever happened in that part of the story. I don't know. Or they'll draw a picture or write a poem. All of those things get to go on our gallery wall, and that is a very cool part. But there's more. Just wait. There is another button at the bottom here. This takes you to the online journal, similar to the one that is printed, that you can print at home, but a little bit different. And of course, it's all online, and so it looks different. It has a totally different vibe. Now, we're going to click that, and you're going to check that out. Okay, when you click that, it's going to take you to a page that says to copy, and you'll copy this to your own drive. So that means this one is completely yours, and it's not something anybody else is going to see. Our gallery is shared amongst all of the Secret Chapter Society members. This is not. So again, there's all kinds of things to click here. So when you click these, it'll take you to the next page, and there's spaces already here for you to type. You'll just swipe that and then type in there a new thing. And there's this little cool thing, because I know you see that it says draw and type here. So you can actually draw on your Google document. Go to your select and it says scribble. Yes, This means you literally can scribble, and then you can undo it, but you can make a cute little drawing of a character however you want to do it. And it'll do a little thing there. And then once you make a shape and go back and turn it back on and make another shape, and then it's going to do its little thing. And then you go back and do that. And now I'm going to do something like this. There we go. Okay, that one didn't work out quite as well. But again, this takes time. And I'm just doing a quick little doodle. So there is a character. It's not perfect, but it doesn't need to be, first of all, because this is your own journal. Second, it's just fun to scribble on the screen. And third, it's your journal. Now, there is bingo. Bingo has not started officially yet. Yes, book-based bingo. Here is our slide. And these chips you can move to your board. Yes, I'm loving it. I don't know about you, but you have 2 chances to win the Advent Bingo. Is there a massive prize? No, it's a crafty prize. So what I mean is I will send you a personalized craft, a trophy, a book-based trophy. It's super cool. It's not too hard. If you can make a cube out of paper, you can make this. Trust me. I made sure it was easy. I know. You're inkling agents. You have a lot of learning to do still. So you can click through and get to slides like that. We're on the note page right now. There we go. And to get to bingo, I'm going to go click the home page. That's going to take me all the way back and click this B. And it will take me to bingo. There it goes. And there. Okay. Home. So we can just jump around in your new journal, and you can also scroll through it. You can see here is our list of annotation marks and some ideas, and that's it. If you have questions, of course, put the comments in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next debriefing. Bye for now.